Hey everybody, it's Debbie Kenny at Century 21 Sheets. I'm going to try and share my screen with you. And I know I have about 10 seconds before everybody starts like hopping off of here. But if anybody was worried about home prices and if they were appreciating or not, I wanted to see if this works. Share this that home prices are once again appreciating. So this is from last year. You can see over here, this is January of 22, and appreciation was out of control. It was month over month, just appreciating at alarming rates, really. And so we needed a correction, and we got that correction. You can see here this red from July-ish to even January of this year. And then starting in February, home prices started appreciating again. So they were back to a more normal rate of appreciation. This is month over month. So that's good news. So let me see if this works. This says high mortgage rates have slowed additional price surges, meaning the monthly increases are returning, like I said, to a more normal average. In other words, home prices are still growing, but they're in line with historic seasonal expectations. So there's a difference between appreciation slowing down and depreciation. So if you bought a house this year, last year, anytime, you don't need to worry because they are appreciating. This is the forecast starting in 2023 for the next 4 or 5 years. So home prices are appreciating. If you guys have any questions or want to dive a little deeper into this, because I'm not super comfortable on video, give me a call and I would love to chat. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye.